Here's everything I keep in my reading basket. Letter sound flashcards. This one is the truck set. I've got tricky word cards. I don't show these much because they're in my course, but the tricky words and which parts are decodable and where it gets a little bit tricky. Note cards. I keep these on hand for videos, but also if there's any other sound or pattern I want to teach, sometimes I like just putting it on a card by itself. Of course, I've got my eraser. I've got a bunch of different markers. I like to give kids choice in what color they work with, so I try and keep all of them on hand. Whiteboard, my favorite tool by far. I do almost all of my reading work on this whiteboard. This one is double-sided, which is pretty nice. And then I've got the handouts from my courses, so the introduction that goes to each course, and then I've got each of the different course handouts here for helpful tips as I go. And finally, the fluency passages that we made so that kids are getting more and more exposure with some of those harder sounds. I like to keep fluency passages on hand as an alternative to trying to guess and pick which book is best. Now, don't ask me where I got this. I have no idea. I think I've had it since my teaching days. You don't need all this stuff. You can start with just whiteboard, markers, and sound cards, but I really like having it all together, and I hope that this was helpful for you in knowing what to have on hand while you're teaching your little one how to read.